Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to take screenshot of selected data in Excel. So let's start this Excel. Simply press the shortcut key, window key plus shift and plus S, and you will see the some snip option appear at the top of your screen. And here we can see the first option is rectangular snip, second is freeform snip, third one is a window snip, and fourth one is a full screen snip. So select those you want. So I select the first rectangular and drag just and select the area those you want to screenshot. So I select this data only. Okay. And that's it. Okay. I just open here the paint. Just click on the search icon and I open here the paint and I use here the Control V to paste the screenshot. Okay, and here you can see there are some formatting option available here. If you want to use on your screenshot, you can use it. So here in the fill color, you can see, you can fill the color. Okay, you can select different color also. See, this is the way you can apply on your screenshot. Okay, after that, if you want to save the screenshot, just click on the file, click on the save option, and here you can see the one dialog box is open, save as. Select the destination where you want to save. So I select the document, and if you want to change the file name, you can edit here. So I just enter here ABC. The save as file type is PNG. If you want to change the file type, just click on this drop down arrow and you can select here the GIF and JPG and others. Okay, after that, click on the save and that's it. Okay, so I show you the save screenshot. See here that I just open the screenshot. So this is a way you can take the screenshot in Excel of selected data. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.